101.7, Birmingham's WZZK.
Hey, this is Dirk Bentley.
It's the most country music.
Guaranteed.
Oh, wow.
That's why I spell country. WZZK.
Yes, it did. Ah, crap. I have fingerprints on my window. Look, there's chairs just sitting there. Where? Oh. Did it fall or got put down there?
They're outside, I think.
That was there this morning when we came by.
I'm videoing out your window. Are we getting out?
I'm not.
I want to. Can you let me out? Ooh, it got brighter. Hey, Mama. The battery's going down.
Well, if you stand, stand.
Okay. Not much zoom, but good picture.
You realize you're recording your voice.
Yeah?
Realize everything you say,
Sorry. What?
everything you say is recorded.
I know. Is that wrong? None. Hang on. Okay.